So we start off today's video with this really cool vase. So she does make this out of clay. Wow, I absolutely love that DIY. Such a unique style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have another project that involves some clay. And then we have a simple vase DIY. This would be a perfect centerpiece for spring. And then we have someone heading to Goodwill, finding a major find, I don't know. So she scored this mirror. It kind of looks like a half heart to me. It's really uniquely shaped. Plenty of projects that you can create with that. So this is another simple, easy DIY that you can try. A lot of designs I've noticed lately have been featuring like these really colorful pom-poms. Huge trend on TikTok. So I think they're making, candle holders. Very cool. Nice way to add some color into your space. Those would also look really cool on like coasters. So then we have another candle holder DIY. Lots of clay being used in today's video. Yeah, I think this is a really cool aesthetic, and I do like the fact that she spray painted it. I'm guessing she spray painted it in black. Yep, very cool. I wonder if she made that towel rack too, because she keeps on showing us that towel rack. Action hack. So this is like a wood-based DIY, little wooden beads. Why do I feel like they're making a soap dish? Oh, okay. An elevated candle holder? Or would you just call this like a tray, like a table tray? This would be a cool soap dish though. Like a cool soap dish holder. Oh, very nice mirror design. Oh, another DIY made out of clay. Oh, they're doing artwork. Wow. Okay, I thought at first that was like string, but they're actually adding in more clay. That's pretty cool. giving it like that nice raised texture within the artwork. It's a very pretty piece. Oh wow, they even created like a little stand. Wow, that is pretty cool. So then we have someone making some pottery. Looks like beautiful vases. Wow. Those are gorgeous. And then a mirror frame, once again out of clay. Wow. I didn't realize when I was putting this together that there were so many like clay DIYs. I really like this mirror design that she came up with though, with the cat ears. Very clever. Ooh, you could do like bunny ears too. That would be cute. I think it would have been cuter too if she would have painted like the little pink part, you know, that cats have in the inner ear. That would have been really cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY projects with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.